Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to connect to a web browser on the Nintendo Switch 2. Now there's no supported browser officially, but this is a workaround to get access to one. I will warn you ahead of time that the browser is very laggy and doesn't support video playback for most sites like YouTube, but it can be useful and it is a workaround that's pretty easy to set up. So the first thing you want to do is go into your system settings and then go down to Internet and then go to Internet settings on the right, select it, and then wait for this to load your networks. You want to already be connected to a network before this point. So I am connected to this one. So select the one you're connected to and then go down to change settings. On this page, scroll down a bit until you get to DNS settings, and this is the one that you want to change. So by default, you should be on automatic. Switch that to manual, and then you want to change your primary DNS. Secondary, you should leave the same, but you do want to change your primary to this address specifically. So I'll leave this up on the screen, and if you set it to that, save it, hit OK, and then hit save on the right side here. Hit OK, and now wait for it to load. Okay, so now select your same network and then connect to it. Now you should see this fail. So it might take a minute, but I sped this up, and once it fails, hit OK, and now it'll automatically load your browser. Once you're here, you can just go to Google. That'll open up your search, and from here you can go to anything. So I'll just type in a test here and search for that, and here we go. So now once you're in this browser, you might be done with it. You want to go back to your normal internet connection. You'll have to go to your home screen again, go back to where we were under settings, internet settings, and then wait for it to show your network again, and then go back to change settings. And all you want to do is change the DNS back to automatic. That's how it was originally, so just swap that to automatic, hit save again, and then here you can reconnect. So we'll just demonstrate that, and it should work fine. And that's it. And once you type in that DNS, you'll have it saved, so that next time you do this, you can just pre-select it by switching over to manual again. So just go back here, change settings, scroll down, and then we'll just go to manual and automatically be there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.